Hi guys, it's Laura from Mad Mimi's Crochet, and I just woke the ducklings up. It's alright, they'll go back to sleep. Farmer Mad Mimi will come back later today, and I'll show you the ducklings. They are getting big, but today, look what I got in the mail. The mailman dropped this off at my house, which is good because the lady who is getting my mail is slow on the uptake. That's all right. So I have my handy dandy Gerber. I'm just slicing the tape off. And they'll go back to sleep in a minute. Probably when I stop talking, because they think, oh, she's talking. She's going to come and pick me up and hold me. Yeah, they're wet. Okay, so here it is, and I know she puts a cover on it with see, my mail dude is getting slow on the job. I've got to figure out where. What in the world? Okay, there's it's snowing outside today. That's our spring. I'm just going to rip all of this paper. Oh, there we go. There's a piece down. And a piece up, I think. A piece over. It's snowy and windy out today. I'm not sure what the temperature is. I can't look because I'm using my phone to do this. So, I think I have everything. And this is the March box. I'm almost positive. Okay, so. Okay. I think I have everything. So, are you guys ready to see? Because you know I always let you guys see first. So, here we go. I'll look at the ducklings while you guys look at this. I know. You'll get to see the ducklings again. Okay, so you guys ready? Here we go. Ooh, the pink paper is very pretty. It's a hello, little ducklings, go back to sleep. Okay, can you guys see it? Yeah, you guys should be able to see it. Alrighty. So, now let me see. It's orange, right? I know it's probably not, but a girl can dream, right? Okay. Ooh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the hook out first, because the hook gives you a hint. Huh. The hook is like either blue or purple green. Ooh, if it's purple and green, I can use it for my affair entry. I just got to figure out what to make. So, this kind of looks, I'm not sure. What size is it? A 4. Okay, let's see if I can, okay, I'm guessing either blue and green or purple and green. So I'm still not looking. Huh. It feels nice and soft and fluffy. Aha. I found the stitch marker. Let's see if that will give me another hint. Fish. It's It's a fish. It's a cute fish. Alrighty. Let me see. This one is looking blue and green, so I'm going to say blue and green. Purple and green would have been better. So it's time to pull out the yarn. Oh, I wasn't even close. Well, there is blue and there's green, but there's also some pink. It's actually kind of cool looking. Pinky purple, pink, purple, green, blue, white. Under the Sea, DK Fluff. 100% superwash merino and 240 yards. This is soft. Smells like yarn. Ooh, what am I going to make with this? Let's see what the pattern is. Under the Sea Collection. Tells me how to... Oh, I forgot. They have a cotton yarn subscription too. For those of you allergic to wool, they have a cotton yarn subscription. Oh, and they have a course academy too. Under the Sea beanie. That is a cute beanie. Under the Sea cowl. I'm probably not going to make either one of those. But the way the yarn works up is very pretty. There we go. There. Very pretty, but I'm going to find a different project. With, what can I make with 240 yards? Could make quite a few things. Thinking fair, though. Trying to fill up some fair spaces. So I'll have to go through my list and see where else I can make something for the fair. But I did frog a project, so I do have another empty bag. So you guys might find this one in the bag, but you don't know which one it is. And I've done with one of my new projects, and I'm working on the other. And one is definitely a fair entry. And, or actually, I think both of them are a fair entry, but one for sure. Alrighty, so I'll see you guys later. Love my Leither collection. Beautiful yarn. Here you go, another look. It's beautiful. Okay, so Leither Collection. And Farmer Mad Mimi will be back later today with some ducklings. Probably all 13 ducklings. Alrighty guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.